Hello traders, today is 19th of January, Tuesday 2021, and I would like to share with you today's my best forex trade analysis. And the result today was a challenging day. We found overall the market condition was consolidation, but we managed positive day. And if you would like to know how I help all the traders with a live intraday analysis, please watch that video, and the link is given somewhere in the video description. And I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation if you would like to discuss your forex trading challenges, or if you need any help and to learn forex trading effectively and successfully. My availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to book free one-to-one consultation. All right, so let's back to the today's analysis. As you can see that we had because of the market consolidation, we had only few analyses, but we managed good pips. All right, so just to recap traders, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audios commentary. Okay, I analyze market twice a day, just before London open 7:30 GMT London time, and one analysis just before opening bell around about 2 p.m. London time and GMT. All right, so let me share with you my today's analysis. The best way we had it today, nice move, was Euro USD, I believe, and the pound dollar. Let me share with you guys today's analysis. Okay, okay, let me make it zoom in, and let me play this video, guys.
Okay, so dollar, Euro USD yesterday we can see nice move, and let's see if the price is going to respect this support, then possibility of continuity long, and as always the first target would be this level, and the final target would be this level, which is the daily support, daily resistance. And if the price break, then possibility of short, and we're going to develop double bottom. So let's see what's happening here. Momentum is developed bullish. Okay, so we can see here, and this is the recent high. See here, price broke on this level. So again, what we're looking here is right now you can see the momentum is developed bullish, and this is the level where price respected previously many times. You can see here this one, this one, this one, this one. So right now momentum is bullish, so we're looking another pullback long counter, or if the price break and retest, then we're looking at short trade here.
Alright guys, so now you've seen that Euro USD, I did this analysis, and what happened after that. Let me share the results with you guys. We had this pullback, as you've seen that we have. Then we announced that as soon as the price was developing that pullback, we announced through live audio commentary, and we took a long trade, and then we announced another one pullback, long trade on Euro USD, and we did another analysis at the New York session. This one, I think, let me share with you guys, pound dollar analysis. Where is that? Yeah, this is the analysis. You can see in the morning, triangle pattern breakout, beautiful, nicely breakout long trade on pound dollar, and one of my trader banked 67 pips. As you can see, overall market was consolidation, but he still managed beautiful pips. And all these trades are, as always, 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast. And he made a 35 pips. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, at that time, if I showed you my trader bank won 35 pips, and I let the other trader run, which nicely hit 35 profit. That was the trade which is taken yesterday, as I've shown you. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, you can watch that video through in my YouTube channel. But if this was the trade, as you can see, as I mentioned, you break out short trade. As I mentioned, you head and shoulder pattern yesterday, price nicely hit to the profit target 35 pips, and he took another one 12 pips on EURUSD. Again, you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, then we announced through live ID commentary, he took a long trade and banked beautiful pips. And then later on, he also banked another 8 pips on the EURUSD. And this was the pretty straightforward. You can see momentum was bullish. This was another pullback long trade, and he banked another a few pips. Because of the market condition, we just bank like small pippies. And if you look at here, 12 pips on dollar CAD. This was the pretty straightforward, the breakout, and as soon as the price hit this resistance level, we announced to bank some profit. Again, based on that analysis on the EURUSD, you can see not this one. This one basically in the morning analysis, we had a based on that pullback short trade, bank few pips, and this was the analysis at the New York session, I believe. You can see this was the consolidation, breakout, sideways market. We announced the price developer double bottom, beautiful breakout, and he banked beautiful pips, 12 pips on this one. One of his trade is still open, that is the pound dollar. That was the analysis which we did at the New York session, and afterwards he took a long trade, and we mentioned to stay on this trade as long as you can see here in the analysis, we mentioned as long as the momentum is bullish, we should be holding that trade. Otherwise, if the price gonna break the recent low, then we should be taking out. As you can see, the price still going is in favor. If you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what we mentioned yesterday. If you haven't seen my analysis, I mentioned inside candle pattern. As you can see, the price nicely hit the first target, final target, and afterwards price still we can see strong bullishness. We expecting around this level. That's the target. Probably might gonna continue. We'll see today, and you can see still isn't going in profit, break even, stop loss at the break even, altogether 67 plus, I don't know, I think probably gonna be 20-30 pips from here. So you had a good trade based on the live intraday analysis. All right, so let me share with you a couple of more analysis. Dollar Swiss franc, we had it, this one pretty straightforward this morning, breakout short trade. And the pound yen, we had another beautiful, very small long trade on pound yen. And the pound Swiss franc, that's the trade last I had it. This one here, you can see channel breakout, pretty straightforward, beautiful, and the still trade going is in, still going bullish. And we had another interesting trade on Kiwi dollar. That was the pretty straightforward, you can see pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As you have seen that we did live analysis. I've showed you the recording. That's what we do every single day, twice a day. And when the market basically opportunities raised based on those analyses, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary and help traders to bank beautiful pips. So if you would like to see all that analysis alongside the live audio commentary, alongside the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure when you see the analysis in real time, when there's a live support available with the live market, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill effectively and very quickly. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.